guys, so I'm basically doing like 4 or 5 videos in one, but this is my 4-month update on this Celie Hair that I have been rocking. I've been rocking it on and off for 4 months because it is a wig, so I've been switching in and out. Some things that I have now concluded about this hair: it doesn't hold a curl very well. I got the straight hair, so maybe that's why. It looks best in its natural form, which is like loose waves, and also when it is flat iron. Would I buy it again? No. No. I don't hate it, but it's not the best hair that I've ever had. So I'm still on the search for like the best AliExpress hair. If you guys know the best AliExpress hair, leave a comment below so I can check it out, because I love cheap, affordable hair. I know you guys do too. It does shed, and after a while, the frontal does start to pick out from wear and tear. So obviously, you know, that's something that's going to be expected. The luster held up pretty well. I will give this hair a 5. Don't you hate when you're like, your face is itching, but you like just painted it on? You just have to like tap it. So I don't know if you guys ordered the hair. If you guys did, you had a different experience, let me know. Tell me what I did wrong. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Leave a comment below, and I can't wait to read it. So I just want to thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.